Good morning, everybody. It is the fourth day. We are in Park City. Today, I'm going to be throwing a little twist at you all. Stay tuned. You all are not going to miss this. This is something that you don't get to do very often. This is like a once-in-a-lifetime thing you get to do today. I'm excited to bring you along, so I will see you all when we get to the place. You all might be wondering why I'm in a t-shirt right now. It feels like it's 60 degrees out and there's snow on the ground, so that's why. But it's such a beautiful day to go out and ski and just have some fun in the snow. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, and I'm excited to bring you all along.
Up. All right, guys. All right. You got it. All right. Good boys. All right.